Food Network calls it the finest summer salad of all. It's packed full of veggies with a distinct French flair. Marguerite Henderson is making a classic salad nicoise for us today. So why is this salad so perfect for summer?
Look at the colors. I mean, it's
so beautiful.
Like screams spring, summer. So we've got everything, and it's served cold. So you don't need to heat anything up. You don't have to heat up your ovens or any of that. So basically what it is tuna, and I've seen it done with salmon also. So this is
But do you prefer the tuna? What do you like?
I like the classic.
Because we're looking to you. You're the pro on this.
Okay, but I like tuna and I like salmon, but I like the traditional tuna. So this is a tuna steak that's cut about 1 inch thick. And tuna, I have to admit, is a little pricey. It's about $25 a pound. So
it's a little pricey.
Yeah, it's a little pricey. So I've seasoned it with just salt and pepper, and I've got olive oil in here, right? And then I'm just going to put the tuna in. This is grill pan, 2 minutes per side. That's
so this is quick. This is quick and easy. The tuna is quick and easy.
Yeah, and you could do it, earlier in the day. A little salt and pepper. That's all you need. You don't want to goop it up with too much sauce.
Marguerite, are you serving the salad at like brunches with friends? Where are you suggesting
I do this on my patio.
And I have been to your patio. It's lovely.
Thank you. And I love serving it like, on a Saturday night dinner. Like, I don't really feel like cooking a lot. Or a Sunday brunch. This is perfect. Put out some breads and whatever. So we're going to cook the tuna 2 minutes, right?
2 minutes each side.
Okay, so it's a composed salad. So all the ingredients, you don't mix it all together.
So we're not mixing, it's composed in that we're setting one thing on at a time.
Exactly. Okay. And this is the great thing about it, is that...
And it's what makes it so beautiful.
It does.
Such a pretty look.
So cucumbers are classic.
So we start with kind of a bed of lettuce. Is this just what kind of lettuce?
Just leaf lettuce, you can use butter lettuce, whatever.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're going to put some potatoes, which I parboiled and then just cut in half.
How long are we boiling these for?
Oh, 8 minutes maybe. I boil them whole, and then I cut them in half.
Oh, look at this. This is so pretty.
And then, and if people are vegetarians, they don't have to take the tuna. Or if people don't like potatoes, they don't want to eat starch, they don't have to take the potatoes.
So it's kind of a salad with options. This is a salad with options.
Now, this is like the greatest invention. These eggs, they come cooked and peeled. So,
I love that we have a cook saying that hard-boiled eggs are just a little too much.
Well, you're trying to keep it simple, right?
Yeah.
And then,
I know I am. And those look
cut them in
these are so good.
And they're so good. They're so good for you, right? So, okay, we're doing that.
And kind of add to the color. We're flipping the tuna.
Yeah, we're going to flip the tuna. I could hear it.
I can smell it. It smells so good.
Okay,
look at that. Just searing that. That is so beautiful.
Now, if I really wanted to be professional, you could do a quarter turn on the tuna, like just turn it this way, and that's what gets the X marks on it.
Oh, I like that. Okay, so that's what we get that restaurant look that we never know.
Okay, and then I've got...
So it's asparagus.
Asparagus, which is, the springtime vegetable.
Did you just steam these? What did you do?
Just blanch them.
Throw them in the water, boiling water, grab them out.
Yep.
Okay.
A little salt.
With a little salt? Okay.
A little bit of salt and olive oil.
Oh, look at this. I'll say you were quite the composer. This is looking lovely.
I did these yesterday, so they still look good.
They're green.
And then I love snap peas, so I'm going to throw.
They're so good. Just sweet enough, right?
Yeah, they're just sweet enough, and kids love them.
Okay.
All right.
So we do that. We throw on some tomatoes.
And then we're going to put some tomato, and then...
I want you to tell me what's anchovies.
Anchovies.
Which she was teasing me about earlier, because I've never actually eaten an anchovy, but we add all these. What about the dressing, Marguerite?
Okay, we're going to do the dressing. Let's let that sit there for a minute. Okay, this is what I do with my dressing. I put them in a mason jar. So a little bit of olive oil, red wine vinegar. Don't use balsamic, just red wine vinegar.
Okay.
It's got capers in there, some mustard, salt, pepper, and this is.
Oh, they just throw those right in.
Those little
this is the magic trick to the dressing.
I know, it's going to be so good. So you just.
Shake that up.
And then here's what you need. Put the rest in the fridge. And then you don't have to whisk or do anything fancy. Okay, so I'm going to move this. We're going to move this. And then take the tuna out.
And setting this tuna on top. Marguerite, while you do that, tell us about your newsletter where people can get
So you can, if you want recipes every week, every Friday. It's called Fabulous Food Friday. And I just got back from Croatia and
Marguerite, you are always going somewhere.
and Italy. And so this Friday is going to be recipes from Croatia, pictures from Croatia, and it's going to be chock full of traveling ideas. Oh, and
Traveling ideas,
yep.
food ideas. Okay, Marguerite, this is lovely. Tell me what this is.
Okay, we're just throwing some tarragon on there, and you've got to have these little black olives. It's just so.
Well, it's a masterpiece. This is lovely. That is lovely. And drizzle the dressing.
And then you make this ahead, and you just kind of just drizzle it right on top.
Love it. Okay.
And you've got your salad niçoise.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Marguerite.
You bet.